Hi, this is Nigel the North, and this is my channel Bentley on a Budget. It's been my pleasure over the last 7 months to produce videos to help people keep their Bentleys on the road and a few more quid in their pockets. But now I need your help. We've reached a bit of a crossroads with the channel, and we've decided that we need to move forward with a bit of investment in software, hardware, tools and equipment in order to make better, more useful videos for all of our subscribers and members. And that's where you guys come in. We've introduced memberships from as little as 99 pence a month, which if enough of you do, will keep us afloat and keep us making videos on into the future. I've already said in different places that this is never going to make any money through AdSense or other sorts of revenue. So it's really down to you guys. If you want us to stay here and keep helping and keep contributing, then become part of it and join us as members. We look forward to seeing you. At higher levels of membership, you can also enjoy things like technical support, problem solving, parts finding, and anything else that I can do to keep you on the road. So for now, I hope you'll consider this. Give me some feedback by all means if you'd like to, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks guys, and I'll see you again soon.